Are you looking for the best Printer 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best Printer 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Elegoo Neptune 2 3D Printer, CNC machined aluminum extrusion, modeling technology, FDM fused deposition modeling. Printing size, 220 by 220 by 250. Printing speed, 180 mm per second, normal speed at 30 to 60 mm per second. Printing precision, plus minus 0.1 mm, layer thickness, 0.1 to 0.4 mm, nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm can be replaced with 0.3 mm and 0.2 mm nozzles. Nozzle quantity, 1 max. Nozzle temperature, 260 degrees Celsius, max. Hotbed temperature, 100 degrees Celsius. File transfer, TF card. Offline printing, online printing. File format, STL. Obj. AMF. Slicer, Cura, Simplify 3D, Repetier host, power supply, input, 100 120 200 to 240 volts 50/60 Hz output, 24 volts 17 at filament compatibility, PLA, ABS, TPU, PETC, wood, marble, etc. Filament diameter, 1.75 mm, XY precision, 0.012 mm, Z precision, 0.001 mm, controller board, STEM 32F103, LANIG, English, French, German, Russian, Italian, Spanish, Japanese, Chinese. Resume printing, yes. Filament detection, yes. At number 2, Voxelab FDM DIY 3D printer. Upgrade model, ergonomic screen, support with filaments detection and auto filaments feed, return function. Compatible with PLA, ABS, PETC filament, fast heating and silent printing. The carbon crystal silicon glass plate provides a strong adhesion, heating in 5 minutes. And the printing model will not easily become warped, and the printing sounds is below 50 decibels. Intelligent and smooth printing, Aquila equipped with super quiet printing designing, with smooth adjustable pulley, and if a power is accidentally cut off during printing, accurate printing can be continued after power is switched on. Semi-assembled kit with fully open source, the easy to set up kit comes partially assembled. Also it comes with removable build surface plate. It allows for flexible upgrades and various modifications. Warranty and service. All Voxelab 3D printers are provided lifetime technical assistance and 12 months warranty. At number 3, Anycubic Mega 2.0 DIY 3D printers. Printing technology, FDM, fused deposition modeling. Layer resolution, plus minus 0.1 mm, positioning accuracy, x/y/z 0.01250.0125/0.002 mm, supported print materials, PLA, TPU, ABS, HIPS, PETC, wood. Print speed, 20-100 mm per second, suggested 60 mm per second. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Build size, 220 by 220 by 250 mm. Extruder quantity, single. Operational extruder temperature, max 255 superscript OC. Operational print bed temperature, max 110 degrees Celsius. Ambient operating temperature: 8 superscript OC, 40 superscript OC. Printer dimensions, 505 mm by 431 mm x 607. Slicer software, Cura. Input formats, STL, OBJ, DIE, AMF. Connectivity: trans flash card, USB cable. Expert users only. Input rating, 100 volts/240 volts AC, 50/60 Hz. Output rating, 24 volts/15A opening parenthesis 360 watts closing parenthesis. Net weight :tilde 7 kilograms. At number 4, Maker 3D printer A5 1-year warranty. All 3D printers have 12 months warranty. Buy it with confidence. Large printing size. The building volume is up to 305 times 305 320 mm opening parenthesis 12 times 12 times 12. 6 in closing parenthesis. Solid structure using CNC sheet metal cutting craft. It will keep printing process stably, which effectively guarantees smooth printing of the model. Filament runout detection. In the event of your filament running out too soon, A5S will detect this and pause your print so you can fit a new spool of filament and resume the print, saving you from failed print disaster. Stable glass platform. High-strength composite coated glass that has strong printing adhesion and also allows easy removable of printed model. Power failure protection. Resume printing from where the last print was stopped due to power failure. 32-bit motherboard. Using Allegro A5984 stepper drivers with 32x micro stepping. Patented nozzle structure. High precision independent patent nozzle design that will prevent clogging effectively. Smart auxiliary leveling. Automatically locate the leveling spot that significantly saves you effort. Touch screen display. User-friendly UI design with 2.8 inches HD touchscreen. Dual Z lead screw. It decreases the likelihood of print errors, and improving accuracy and precision, resulting in a specified Z-axis accuracy of 0.001 mm. Add a Pro level to the printer. SD card removed accidentally. For any reason happen to remove the SD card during the printing, you can continue printing by reinserting the SD card. Easy to assemble. It comes with the frame and the Y-axis box. 5 minutes setting up after inbox, and max 30 minutes to print your first sample. Easy building and easy operation. At number 5, Trunksy 3DXY2 PRO 3D printer. This is our parameter. Print size: 255 times 255 260 mm. Power input: 110 volts/220 volts. Power output: 360 watts. Positioning accuracy X/Y0. 0125 mm, Z0. 2 mm. Print speed: 20 to 100 mm per second. Connection method: USB interface. TF card. Nozzle size: 0.2 mm, 0.3 mm, 0.4 mm. Optional. Hotbed temperature: max 120 degrees Celsius. Nozzle temperature: max 275 degrees C. Materials support: PLA.ABS.HIPS.wood.PC.PVC. Environmental temperature: 8 to 40 degrees Celsius. Print thickness: 0.1 mm to 0.4 mm. Optional. Environmental humidity: 20 to 80%. Machine materials: aluminum and sheet metal. Slicing software: Trunksy Slice. Machine weight: 8.5 kilograms. File format: stl.obj.die.amf.g code. Packing weight: 11 kilograms. Operate software: Repetia host.cura. Packing size: 495 times 460 220 mm. Operate system: WinXP/Win7/Mac OS. Machine size: 460 times 450 510 mm. Power failure: resume print included. Display: 3.5 inches full color touch screen. Auto level included. Filament runout detector included. Certificates: FCC. At number 6, an iCubic Mega Pro 3D printer. Upgrade model: ergonomic screen, support with filaments detection and auto filaments feed, return function. Compatible with PLA, ABS, PETC filament, fast heating and silent printing. The carbon crystal silicon glass plate provides a strong adhesion, heating in 5 minutes, and the printing model will not easily become warped, and the printing sounds is below 50 decibels. Intelligent and smooth printing. Aquila equipped with super quiet printing designing, with smooth adjustable pulley, and if a power is accidentally cut off during printing, accurate printing can be continued after power is switched on. Semi-assembled kit with fully open source. The easy-to-set-up kit comes partially assembled. Also it comes with removable build surface plate. It allows for flexible upgrades and various modifications. Warranty and service. All Voxelab 3D printers are provided lifetime technical assistance and 12 months warranty. At number 7, Kingroon KP3S DIY 3D printer. Model number KP3S. Build size 180 x 180 mm. Technology FDM. Nozzle quantity 1. Nozzle diameter 0.4 mm. Print resolution 0.05 to 0.3 mm. Filament diameter 1.75 mm. Applicable filament PLA/wood/TPU. Nozzle temperature 260 C. Hotbed temperature 110 C. Movement speed 200 mm per second. Print speed 100 mm per second, 20 mm to 60 mm per second. Highly recommended. Print via USB/TIFF card. Supported file types STL/OBJ/code. System compatibility Win 7.10/Mac/Linux. Software Cura/slice/host. Screen language CN/DES/N/RU/JP/FR/IT. Machine power 240 watts. Input voltage 110 V 220 V. Power supply 24 V 15A 360 W. Filament motor upgradable. Auto leveling upgradable. 3D touch. Resume printing after a power support. Net weight 6 kilograms. Machine size 280 x 285 370 millimeters. Packing size 400 x 390 200 millimeters. Gross weight 7.45 kilograms. At number 8, Geech Official A10 FDM 3D printer. Printing technology FDM. Printing volume 220 x 220 260 cubic millimeters. Printing accuracy 0.1 tilde 0.2 millimeters. Positioning precision X/Y 0.011 millimeters. Z 0.0025 millimeters. Printing speed 60 millimeters per second. Nozzle quantity 1 inch 1 ounce single nozzle. Nozzle diameter 0.4 millimeters. Filament diameter 1.75 millimeters. ABS/PLA, etc. Environment temperature 10 C 40 C. Operating system Windows/Mac/Linux. Slicing software Repetia host. Easy Print 3D. Cura. File format STL/code. Power input 115 230 volt AC, 50/60 Hz. Power output DC 24 V15A max, 360 watts. Connectivity TF card, USB. Display screen LCD 2004 screen. Printer size 478 by 413 by 485 3. Package size 530 by 470 by 233. Net weight 7.6 kilograms. Gross weight 9.5 kilograms. At number 9, Geech Official A20M 3D Large 3D Printer. Actual leveling and Wi-Fi function. Need to purchase the module separately to activate the function. All stocks have used Mylar version, not glass. Please note that the motherboard version is shipped randomly, GT2560 v4.0 or GT2560 v4.1b. CN warehouses GT2560 v4.1b version. Cannot use the NPN type capacitive switch sensor, otherwise the motherboard will be damaged. Please choose the plug and play type capacitive switch sensor. GT2560 v3.1 and 4.0 RLCD cable with horn buckle. Korean customers need to provide personal tax ID. In addition, please carefully understand your country's policies on 3D printers, and buyers pay the costs due to the policies. Please note that the A20M printers shipped from the local warehouse are new models, and their motherboard is v4.1b, which is not compatible with. Cannot use the NPN type capacitive switch sensor, otherwise the motherboard will be damaged. Please choose the plug and play type capacitive switch sensor. At number 10, Geech A10 A10M A20 A20M A10T A20T A30T 3D Printer. Actual leveling and Wi-Fi function. Need to purchase the module separately to activate the function. All stocks have used Mylar version, not glass. Please note that the motherboard version is shipped randomly, GT2560 v4.0 or GT2560 v4.1b. CN warehouses GT2560 v4.1b version. Cannot use the NPN type capacitive switch sensor, otherwise the motherboard will be damaged. GT2560 v3.1 and 4.0 RLCD cable with horn buckle. Korean customers need to provide personal tax ID. In addition, please carefully understand your country's policies on 3D printers, and buyers pay the costs due to the policies. Please note that the A10, A20, A10M and A20M printers shipped from the CN local warehouse are new models, and their motherboard is v4.1b, which is not compatible with the NPN type capacitive switch sensor, otherwise the motherboard will be damaged. Please choose the plug and play type capacitive switch sensor. At number 11, Notion DTF Printer A3 T-shirt printing. Notion focuses on printing function. Can solve all the problems. Upgrade roll printing, exclusive technology, 24 hours continuous printing, freeing your hands. Support roll or single sheet printing, saves materials. Printing speed increase 60%. Automatic paper output. Support re-roll paper. Solved that the film can't ejected of traditional printers. Adjust the amount of ink and sequence. Better printing. High definition printing resolution. Prints unlimited colors. The effect is realistic. The pattern can be washed without color fade, stretchable without deformation. Printing is vivid. Restored. Colors are more vivid and delicate. Clear image, washable, durable, solid color. Quick true color, no scratch. Printing white and color at the same time, and the efficiency is 80% higher than that of ordinary printers. Heating before printing to solidify the ink and prevent flow around on the film. Have a better printing effect. Temp and humidity control. The machine comes with an environmental temperature and humidity display. The DTF process printing environment is 20-30 degrees Celsius, and 30 to 40% humidity is the best. Currently exclusive.